Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi friends, I am Fitria Desita Permatasari from H class, English Literature, University of Ahmad Dahlan. So today I would like to presentation about parts of submarines. Here, there is submarine diesel engine. Diesel electric submarines are submarines that are still used by a number of countries today. As compared to nuclear submarines, the submarine system outperform nuclear submarines and are much danger from other submarines. Next, I will split the submarine into three measures: the front or head, the middle or hull, and the back or tail. There are some critical pieces at the front of submarines. I'll go into this part briefly. An intercept array on the front of submarine is used for both long and short range exploration. Then you'll find a weapon storage area where you can keep the gun or the weapons. And submarines, despite having a diesel engine, also they use two batteries to support strength and as a submarine ballast. Following from the front of the submarine, there is a navigation instrument composed of radar, periscope, and sonar in the center or hull of the submarine. Sonar is a radar-like instrument that use sound waves to identify, seek, or track objects. This portion is responsible for locating enemy submarines or other targets. The periscope is used to clearly observe the conditions around the ship or around the submarines. And then so that even though it's submerged, the condition can be seen. Radar measures and detects the distance between an object and the ship. The satellite network is then integrated into this critical underwater vessel navigation method. And the main structure of this ship or of the submarine is a big tank, also known as a ballast tank. If diving is needed to survive, the tank is filled with water to make the boat strong. When used to float on the sea's floor, the water in the tank is replaced by water, making the ship light enough to float on the surface without risk of sinking. The fuel tank is a unique location where fuel is temporarily stored. The fuel tank in a ship serves to store a power supply in the form of fuel oil, so which will be turned into heat. The final section of the submarine is also the most important things because it allows the submarines to move underwater. Another critical aspect is the ship's engine, which will be fueled by diesel, which will support the ship in moving underwater. Propeller, also known as a propeller, is a ship component that functions as a spinning motor to propel a ship. The system part has the ability to adjust the rotational force and generate thrust. Since the fuel either is at the top of the hull, submarines that use propeller azimuth thrusters will make the ship easier to navigate. Enough for me to explain to you about parts of submarine. And actually those are many parts of submarine should be explained, but I just explained the important parts of submarines that you should know. So last, thank you for watching my presentation or my video. Hope you get more information from my explanation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ciao.